I enjoy being around nature, but there's a lot of other places in the world with cool wildlife features that I like to be in. In this video, we're going to be talking about not where I live, but here, the Daintree Rainforest. The Daintree Rainforest, located in Queensland, Australia, in the northern part of Australia. Older even before the last ice age. Before we get into the video, I just want to bring a quick mention to my new comic book that I got for Christmas. I started reading it recently, and I read the first few issues already, which is so good, so funny, which means I want to bring up the fictional character of this video, and that is the Almighty Talus. The Almighty Talus, really funny, cruel, but funny. I know a lot of people like more of the other characters from that series, but Talus, can't go wrong with it. There are many things you can do while visiting this national park, including walking tours, camping, swimming and fishing, and observing wildlife. It's a very beautiful place, full of lots of waterfalls and even campsites where you can stay and enjoy your time there. I asked a couple of friends if they would visit this place. You can explore wildlife and even swim in the waters, which gets us to a very important part. There are many dangers, and here are the warnings of this place. The waters are filled with jellyfish. Very dangerous. The box jellyfish venom is the most venomous venom in the world, and it attacks the nervous system, the heart, and the skin cells. It is very almost impossible to avoid death from this. Cassowary are very common, very much like ostrich and emus. You will find these roaming around. Their feet look just like dinosaur. Very dinosaur feet. Whoa, jump scare. Let's go back to a cute one. Here we go. They say that the cassowary is the most dangerous bird in the world, but that is only because their feet is super strong and can actually harm someone. They're actually very shy and just very unpredictable. And here is another dangerous animal. Crocodiles. Very dangerous and very common in Australia and Africa. Crocodiles are very aggressive. Do not want to mess with these guys. The saltwater crocodile is mostly active at night, but can also be around during the day, so stay on guard. If you dare to camp near these reptiles, make sure you keep something sturdy between you and the water. So would I visit this rainforest? Yes, I definitely most likely would. However, it wouldn't be on the top of my bucket list just because I don't know how much I would handle the humidity in the rainforest. But definitely out of all the things in the world, that's definitely on the list of things that I would visit. Just not complete top. But yes, definitely brave enough to do it, but I would stay on guard. Nature and wildlife is a very important part on our planet, and there are many places to go to, and I can't wait to see what there is out there. It is truly very exciting to think about places I could explore. Would you visit the Daintree Rainforest? Let me know in the comments. I'm dying to know.